Hi everyone, I'm Vivek Karunai Kiri Ragavan. I'm a graduate student currently pursuing my master's in computer and information technology from Purdue University. Today I'm going to give you intro to containers, Kubernetes, and EKS. It works on my machine. Have you ever heard this frustrating line from your friend or colleague? As a student or a developer, we would have heard this at some point of our life. This problem arises due to three main issues. The first one is the difference in the environment, second one is the dependency mismatch, and the third one is the configuration mismatch. But what if I told you there's a solution to this common headache? Containerization has got us covered. Containers are lightweight, portable, and self-sufficient method for packaging applications and their dependencies. They provide consistency across different environments, making it easier to develop, deploy, and manage applications. As you see in the picture, here several goods are packaged into containers and they're shipped from one location to the other. In the similar way, we can package our application along with its dependencies and configurations into containers and ship it from one machine to another. So we can run our application as seamlessly as possible as it was running in your machine. Some examples of the container technologies include Docker and Containerd. So why do we need containers? Containers are flexible, they are lightweight, they're portable, they're cost effective, they're scalable, and they have fast startup time. Let's compare the virtual machine and the containers. So virtual machines require their own operating system instance, but containers share the host operating system's kernels, making it resource and cost effective. Virtual machines offer strong isolation, but containers provide lightweight isolation. This makes it ideal for applications that require fast startup time and scalability. And as we've spoken a lot about the portability, containers are highly portable across different environments. It allows seamless deployment from development environment to production environment. So is all our problems solved? While containers offer fantastic benefits in terms of portability and consistency, managing them individually can quickly become a really tough task as the application grows. So that's where Kubernetes comes into picture. Kubernetes, also known as K8, is an open source system for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. The Kubernetes architecture has master node and worker node. The master node is also the control plane, and it has components like controller, kube API server, scheduler, and etcd. And similarly, the worker node has components like kubelet and kubeproxy. I'm not getting into much details about these components since it's going to be an intro session, but these components work together in order to deploy your containerized application and scale it and manage it in an effective way. So now let's get into EKS. So what is EKS? EKS stands for Elastic Kubernetes Service. It's a service offered by Amazon Web Services. With EKS, users can run Kubernetes application without the need to install, operate, or manage the Kubernetes control plane. So it makes the deployment of the cluster and deployment of the applications much easier because of the help of Amazon. EKS is incorporated into various other AWS services to provide scalability and security for our applications. For instance, we have several services like IAM, which is used for identity and access management, and similarly VPC, which is used to create your own virtual network. And you can spin up your worker nodes using EC2 instances, and you can pull your images from the ECR, which is Elastic Container Registry. And in order to load balance your applications load from different parts of the world, you can use the wide range of load balancers like Elastic Load Balancer, Application Load Balancer, and Network Load Balancer. And in order to store your data in terms of objects or in the database, you can use S3 and RDS. In order to collect the metrics, you can use the CloudWatch to get the metrics about the Kubernetes and the pods or the components associated with Kubernetes, and similarly the containers that you are deploying in the Kubernetes. So EKS has several customers with big names like Snapchat, HSBC, and Babylon. Uh, they have used EKS in their products and have created a lot of success stories, which we can read about in the provided link. So that's all about the intro to containers, Kubernetes, and EKS. And thank you so much for providing this opportunity. I'm Vivek Karunai Kiri Ragavan from Purdue University. Thank you so much.